All right, hello everyone. Today I'm going to quickly show you how to create your own custom domain list for our display advertising campaigns. Here we are in the dashboard. We're going to click into setup ads just as if you were going to create this campaign. We're going to web and mobile. Now I'm not going to go through all the steps because there's another video showing you how to set up a full campaign, but you probably already know that if you're looking at custom domain list. So here we are under domain targeting, going straight to premium sites. Now, as you know, most of you probably know, you've been able to edit some of these existing lists that we already have here. You can still do that and actually save the domain list that you edit into your own now. So let's say, for example, our indie site, we're going to manage this, and maybe we're going to take a few of these out of here that don't make sense for whatever reason, and then add more in, a few more that do, that might not already be on the list. npr.org, add domain. You could then rename this to my custom indie list. These custom lists that you're creating are only going to live within your account, so you don't have to worry about, it gives you the ability to customize them to your degree and not worry about other people seeing what they are. So then you would click create. I'm not going to do that in this example. I'm going to show you another way to create your own custom list. So now that we're still in the same area, you scroll all the way to the bottom. You see here my domain preset. These are all lists that we've created as examples so far. So this is another way to create one from scratch. Let's say you're going to create domain preset. You click that button. You rename it Taylor's custom jazz list. Now, add domains, you would basically type these out here and separate them with a comma, or you can copy and paste. For this example, this is a good way to do it. You could kind of do your research on what sites you want and create a list, or based off of other media lists that maybe publicity is going after. Now, a thing to note, you don't need the HTTPS. You just need, allaboutjazz.com, wired.com. This is just an example list. Because you need the commas, I've added commas in this other column here. Now we're just going to highlight these, copy, come back over here, paste those in. We'll click add domains. You'll see all of them listed here. Of course, you've saved your name. If you go to create, click create, this is where you're going to create the list. Error message. Okay, so invalid domains. Every website out there doesn't necessarily allow third-party advertising. Some websites out there that you might think or you'd like to be on doesn't mean that they may not even allow advertising at all. The thing to note, it's not a big deal. It's just saying that these sites don't allow advertising either via programmatic placements, which is what found.ee does, or just in general. Now we're going to remove that from the list. What was that? Part-time audio file. Remove it here and then click create. That should create the list. I'm not going to do that in this scenario just because I will show you that I've actually already done this list. So there you can see Taylor's custom jazz list. Click manage. These are all those same lists. You could come back in here and edit the list down if you wanted to, save it as a new name, so then you have multiple kind of different lists here. And then when you're selecting it for the campaign, there it is. Rest of the stuff is the same as it ever was. Destination URL, drop your files in, or choose your HTML5 banner and click publish. And there you have your list. Cheers. Have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions.